Halo, are you ugly on purpose?
Man, shut your...
Bubblegum in a dish. How many pieces do you wish? 2. 1, 2.
Oh my god! Baxter!
I'm so happy! I'm so sad! Oh no! Our table! It's broken!
When you buy a cat to get rid of rats in the yard.
Welcome to Barnes and No! Where did it go? What you doing out here with all this ass? Double cheeked up on a Thursday afternoon, hella ass.
Oh yeah, I love that. Oh God damn it. Jesus, Frank. Fuck you, Jimmy.
I'm really just curious how you got yourself in there in the first place, and now how I am going to get you out.
I've been picked on 3 times today. Oh, because of my trousers.
What's wrong with your trousers?
Look at the fucking size.
Stop eating my animal crackers! Get out! I can't get it.
No kitties on the table. Put my stuff down. Stop it. Stop. Put it down. Put it down. Pigeon.
Can I give you a boop?
I don't know. What's a boop?
This.
What are you doing? Don't touch that. How dare you?
So I'm going to attempt to scare my cat.
Ruth, don't touch it. Don't touch it.
I'm so disappointed because I literally just got to my hotel in Arizona and they have bed bugs.
Good boy.
Yo, you're late for school. Hurry up. You're missing the bus. You're missing the bus. Come on. The bus is outside. Hurry up. Hurry up. Santa, the bus is waiting outside. Guys, Santa's on his way. Hurry up. You're going to miss the bus.
Hello. Hello, Jackie. Ooh. You look nice. Yeah. Yes, your doorbell isn't working. Yes.
And if you're going to call me cute, then you bet... Stop.
All right, get it, girl. Even a little butt shake. Trust me, I know. She's a badass, even in a pink dress.
Meow at your cat.
Meow. Meow.
$200,000. Their parents didn't have that kind of money. According to my information, and I could be wrong, your parents did make exceptions to that requirement. Is that a question? No. This is one. Did you ever ask if an exception could be made in the case of Amy's parents?
Do you want to go for a walk?
No. You do not bite. No. No. Are you done? No. No.
Shit.
Hi.
Hi. It's a little flip.
You can't go to work with me. No. You can't. It's not take your cat to work day today. I can't keep doing this. Baby girl. No.
Hi, I would like to have a meeting with you. I just thought I'd let you know that you are never allowed to die. Those are the rules.
Bark at your dog.
Are you kidding me? You get locked in the bathroom and meow all night and you're gonna hit me? Oh, you little...
Come on, boy.
I'm gonna show you how to do it. All you gotta do is lean in like. I don't know why you act like there's something wrong, because you didn't have to do me like.
How'd that get in there?
Bark at your dog.
Show your cat as a baby versus now. see. Eeny, meeny, miny.
Scarlett, what you doing? What you doing in there?
Duncan, are you kidding me right now? Duncan! Duncan. Oh.
New trend, walk backwards towards your dog. See how your dog reacts. I got a new kitten, and this is my cat's reaction.
Okay, so we think our cat is deaf, but we're not 100% sure. So I'm gonna bang these pots behind her and see if she turns around and moves it ear. Yep, I think she's...
It's a dog? I'm taking it home.
So my coworker was actually wrong.
Come here, buddy.
This is not a dog. This is my boy. He is a fox.
Sir, this is a Chili's.
I came in like a rat. God!
Mowgli, drop the rat. God damn it. Quit bringing birds in here.